Okay, hello!
Hi!
We're doing Raw Spice Bar. It's a monthly subscription service where you get a new spice every month.
Yeah.
So you get it like this in a package, and it's a monthly subscription. And then you want to show them what's in it, JC?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Let's see, try.
So we're going to cook it.
Okay. So it comes with this, like a recipe card, and then also like the packet of seasoning, I guess you would call it. So this one is,
Yes.
so this one's the Hawaij Coffee Blend. Yes.
According to Google, because we were not sure how to say it.
So.
I thought maybe it was a Hawaii or something.
Oh my, okay, so yeah. We're gonna use this, like this spice is in this recipe.
So real quick, each month it's a subscription service, $15 a month, or you can do $149 a year to save a little money.
Mm-hmm.
And each month you'll get a 2-ounce spice blend that's like good for the season. And we also are gonna do, I did not tell JC this, a giveaway for a 6-month subscription.
Oh yes.
6-month subscription giveaway. So we'll tell you how you can enter at the end.
At the end, you gotta watch the whole thing.
We do have everything. On the recipe card, it tells you, it gives you a recipe, and so just to save a little time, we mixed everything together except our monthly spice blend.
Yes.
What is it again?
Hawaij?
Hawaij.
Yeah, I think. Hawaij Coffee Blend.
So it is a Hawaij coffee or honey cake. So we went ahead and mixed everything together, and then we just have
Add this.
the Hawaij to put in. So we need
2
2 teaspoons in our dry ingredients. I'm gonna let JC do that. We do have our little loaf pan, and so, ooh, it does. It's very like a spice cake.
Yeah,
like
a coffee cake.
Yeah. We did preheat the oven to 350, and we oiled you can cooking spray it. I didn't have any cooking spray, so I just put some oil in the loaf pan.
Yeah, so I added 2 teaspoons, and there's still a bunch left. So
you could have
multiple
for all your holiday dinners. Okay. It says it's pretty liquidy. Yeah.
Oh shoot, I forget they can't see. I'm like, maybe I should do it with this hand. There.
Cook for 35 to 40 minutes. We got our loaf pan. This is pampered chef.
Pampered chef, imagine that. So
I do like their things that they're stoneware. Yeah. Dump it in.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so making this raw spice bar. I guess I could have. All right, stick her in the oven, JC.
Okay, the bottom. Okay, here we go.
And we'll set the timer, and we'll be back. Okay. Oh, is it done?
It is. Oh man, let's see. Oh, it smells delicious. It's got a claw.
Oh, look! Oh my gosh, it looks
Look at that.
delicious.
We're missing a little
We did
chunk,
have a little. This is because my mother was in charge of taking it out of the oven. It was not done. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
I don't like. It doesn't seem like a coffee.
Well, I can't. Do you have any coffee grounds? We'll probably be talking later. We'll have like black
Coffee
stuff on.
grounds, yeah. Do you have?
Oh man.
Tell me a little more.
It's a traditional Hawaii for coffee is a traditional spice blend originating from Yemen. It's used to enhance the flavor of coffee, and it is commonly employed in Yemeni and Israeli cuisine. Hawaii translates to mixture or blend in Arabic, highlighting the combination of various aromatic spices that make up this particular blend.